Today we got fire warnings in Portugal, Scorchio. What better day then than to knock out a nice quiche in our freshly made solar oven. So the first step in this process is like any other oven, we're going to preheat this one. So that's what we're doing now. We've got the box open, the reflectors open, and it's slowly heating up. While it's doing that, we're going to first pick what we need from our driveway garden and get the ingredients together in the kitchen. So we've separated the yolk and the egg white for 2 eggs. Egg yolks are in here, and I've added 2 more whole eggs to this. That's going to form the basis of our filling, our quiche filling. Next I'm going to prepare the other ingredients. Onions from our neighbour, red pepper from our garden driveway, parsley from the garden driveway, and a bit of creme fraiche from our garden driveway. So we've already made the pastry base, which is whole wheat flour and butter basically. Rolled that out, it's sitting in the fridge ready to go. So for now, I'm going to prepare these ingredients and move on to the next step. Channeling my inner Marco Pierre White. The base is ready. So we're also going to have a go at baking some potatoes whilst we bake the quiche, because our oven's big enough to take these 2 trays, and it's 31 degrees today, so we should have a nice solar powered dinner this evening. It's now about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The quiche and the roast potatoes, baked potatoes, have been in for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. It smells and looks amazing. So, here we go. Yep. F***ing beauty. Oh my god. Boiling. Yes, dinner is served. So we're going to leave the baked potatoes probably for another hour or so, maximise the sunlight. In fact, we could probably even leave it in a couple of hours, because the good thing with solar cooking is it's very hard to burn what you've got in the oven. More baked potatoes are out of the oven. Let's have some of that. That's pretty amazing, I must say. We made our whole meal with our solar oven. That's good, man. That's alright.